Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So I do these types of videos all the time. That's why I have a playlist, which is always linked down below of all these videos. So if you want to see and catch up on my past ones, everything is in the description box below. But let's just get into it. First off, I'm going to show you guys something small that my boyfriend purchased from at Box Lunch, which is kind of like a hot topic. It just has more Disney stuff. So you want to see what I purchased from the Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So first off, let's talk about what my boyfriend purchased for me. Basically, he had a birthday reward from Box Lunch, which again, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, is kind of like a hot topic, except they have so much Disney stuff and also a lot of Loungefly backpacks. If you're into that, girl, check that store out. But he purchased a little baby Groot keychain for me. He's so adorable. He has a little bag of chips. It's just so cute. So this is the Groot with cheese puffs little keychain. So I just kind of want to talk about it because it was in this bag and I completely forgot I had it in there. So let's talk about why I actually went to the Dollar Tree. I needed some more nail polish remover, so I bought another Bath & Body nail polish remover, and this is just the strengthening one. Goes great with today's outfit. It is a purple kind of moment. I just love using this and it works for me, so that's what I buy. And I literally just ran out of my nail polish remover, so I thought, girl, I need another one. More stuff for my nails. I bought 2 nail polishes. Again, this one goes with my outfit perfectly, but these are both from Color Vibe, and I really much enjoy this nail polish kind of formula. Oh, now that I'm reading it, it says with hardeners, so I love the fact that this dries down so quickly, and literally I think it is something to do with that formula that it hardens, and it just feels like it lasts longer than my like LA Colors nail polishes. So I really much enjoy this type of formula, so I went ahead and purchased 2 other nail polishes from Color Vibe. And if you guys have seen my other Dollar Tree hauls, I purchased some other colors, but this one in purple is called A Little Drama. Stunning. And then we have this light pink in the shade Meow. Super cute. Again, if you haven't tried these out, they are such a good formula, especially if you're not the type of person to like sit around and wait hours for your nail polish to dry. This literally dries within seconds, so I love that. Next we have 2 sponges. So these are both from Beauty Collection, and these are their blender sponges, which are latex free. So I saw a little basket full of these little sponges, and I went ahead and picked up a pink one as well as this purple one. So they have different kind of cuts to them. As you can see, this one's more like beveled, I think that's the name of this type of sponge, and then we have more on the traditional egg-shaped sponge. So I thought, let's try these out, girl, in a full face of Dollar Tree. I've also been filming a lot of full face of Dollar Tree videos using some new makeup, so again, stick around, subscribe so you can watch those, but these are so cute. Next we have 2 lashes from Ioni Cosmetics. I saw these and these looked stunning, girl. So again, these are just the Ioni Cosmetics lashes. This one here is in XL Wispy Dramatic. And then we also have these in Crisscross Cat Eye Long. And I thought, girl, I cannot leave these behind. They're stunning, especially because a lot of times at the Dollar Tree, they have very like wearable kind of lashes from Ioni, which I'm not really attracted to. I want my lashes to be visible. If not, like, why throw lashes on at all? That's just my opinion and what my preferences are when it comes to lashes. But these here, you know, they just looked super extra, and I'm just really excited to use these. So for sure, I'm gonna be using them in a full face of Dollar Tree. So again, stick around. Cannot wait to try these. These right here definitely look like they're super extra. Again, that's why they're called the XL Wispy Dramatic ones, but so cute. This brand tends to have a very large variety of lash styles. So if you're not into the more dramatic ones, they also have some more like wearable ones, really lightweight ones. So yeah, they have everything. I went ahead and picked up 2 of these LA Colors makeup removing wipes because I will be going on a trip soon. I kind of just want to be stocked up, and these are perfect for travel because they're so thin and they're just really cute and pink. Lastly, I went ahead and picked up a couple of face masks. So I saw these and they just look so cute. I hadn't seen these at the Dollar Tree before. These are the Be Pure Glitter Face Mask, and they're just in this beautiful pink kind of packaging. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I've actually tried these before, not really impressive, but I thought, why not, let's just pick up 2 more. The Sprinkles face mask, again from Be Pure. I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I also love doing these when I travel at nighttime. I don't know, it just makes me comfortable. And then lastly, Be Pure Mermaid face mask. I only picked up 1 of these, haven't tried this at all, so we're gonna see how these work. They're basically nothing revolutionary, but they're just really quick and easy, really cute, just to throw on for for a little bit of a self-care vibe. So that was everything. That was everything that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Let me know your comments on these products down below. What have you tried? What are you excited to try in the future? Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.